some of these subscribers who previously were listed as the subscribers in the writ petitions challenging the orders of the Registration and Stamps Department. Some of these subscribers have filed affidavits. This information we have come to know through Stamps and Registration Department, that they have filed an affidavit in the concerned courts appealing courts to withdraw their petition, which previously was stated for challenging or withholding the winding up orders. So it's a very significant information, specifically when an environment of misinformation and deceit is created. By parties who have significant interest in this entire corporate fraud, which has a significant bearing on the subscribers' financial well-being. This particular issue is now being closely scrutinized. How come few subscribers whose name appeared on the writ petitions challenging the winding up orders are now appearing before the honorable courts, that they were manipulated and signatures were allegedly obtained? So this, we are looking at the possibility how this has happened, and there is every possibility, if there is significant evidence is found, maybe a possibility of legal action may be initiated. But at this stage, it is just for the caution of the general public as well as subscribers, more specifically for the subscribers, the Margdashi Chit Fund. It is in the best interest for a subscriber, while they sign any kind of document, please read the document. The documents that they sign on behest of any agent or any individual person, specifically those documents, if they have any relation or reference of their chit group or their token number, please read those documents very carefully, what you are signing on. It's very important for them to protect their financial well-being. So these facts through media with regard to the investigation and certain peripheral issues that have recently cropped up, we would like subscribers of the Margdashi Chit Fund Private Limited as well as general public to be aware of. And as we have previously informed you that all the possible information which we could share with the media for the best interest of subscribers, we will share during the course of investigation. At this juncture, this is the information we would like you to just let me complete. At this juncture, at this point, we would like all the media persons to reflect upon the certain facts that we have stated and give it a due consideration while printing to protect the interest of the subscriber. It is therefore again appeal to the best judgment of the media houses that such offenses, when investigated, have a larger economic bearing not only on the individuals but also on the economic health of state. So print it with caution, make sure you deliberate upon it and you present the case with the facts. Thank you.
It is that you are threatening, CID is threatening some of these subscribers.
I don't know in what context you are saying, because this is a hypothetical scenario which you are projecting. There is no CID person you have named. There is no subscriber name you have named. I can specifically, when I mentioned of the subscribers who have filed affidavits before the court, I can show you the name persons. But to protect the best interest of these subscriber, I am also barred by the law to not divulge the information of the subscribers. So I would urge you to be more specific instead of being generalistic. ఈ వాళ్ళకి కూడా చట్ట ప్రకారం కొన్ని ప్రొటెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ లీగల్ battle that they have taken upon, and of course they are also protected by the law. So whatever possible within the ambit of law, CID is doing it and will continue to do that. Whether they have come or not come is of course one part of it. So with regard to their not coming to CID is of course a point which we are discussing with our legal experts. We'll get back to you on this. మనకి ఇది ఆలోచించాలి విషయం అది, that this is a financial fraud. Even when they do not come, facts and evidence will not be going away. It is important that they should cooperate in the investigation. You have a valid point that they are not coming for the investigation to the IOs is a valid point. However, as you are also aware, IOs have made significant effort with regard to examination of these two persons, A1 and A2 namely. And it is also fact that they have not come to the designated places where IOs have often issued notices and called them, but they have taken the protection under the law.
కేసెస్ నమోదు చేశారు. ఆ కేసెస్ లో ఇంకా 5 ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి. మీరు కార్పొరేట్ ఫ్రాడ్ అని చెప్పి ఏ విధంగా అనిస్తున్నారు సార్? అంటే మాల్ఫైడ్ ఇంటెన్షన్ లేదా సార్? మీరు కార్పొరేట్ ఫ్రాడ్ అని చెప్పి అనడం వెనక
మీ క్వశ్చన్ కొద్దిగా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను.
ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఇంకా నడుస్తుంది. ఇంకా 2 కేసులు ఛార్జ్ షీట్ వేసారు అంటారు. ఇంకా 5 కేసులు ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ నడుస్తూ ఉంది. మీరు కార్పొరేట్ ఫ్రాడ్ అనేసారు. దాంట్లో సిఐడి మాల్ఫైడ్ ఇంటెన్షన్ లేదా సార్? ఒక పెద్ద కంపెనీ, ఒక 60 years నుంచి రన్నింగ్ అవుతున్న కంపెనీ మీద అలా అలిగేషన్ చేయడానికి.
See, I would like to answer your question with one very simple incident of Enron Energy. You are aware. It was also a very old company. So I believe we should leave it to the best interest of the subscriber and our justice system to come to that conclusion what you are saying. Next step, make the 5 cases lo kuda we are at this stage of finalizing those cases, and of course credible evidence is there, so charge sheet will be filed in those cases as well. There is a bar from the court of law with regard to taking coercive action, so arrest at this stage has been prevented by the law. Can you repeat it again? Okay. So my question నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తున్నాను. You correct me if I am wrong. So you are saying that the subscribers' interest actually concern organizations investigate చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ చేయాల్సిన సిఐడి ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాయి, అంతే కదా? సో సిఐడి బీయింగ్ అ investigating agency, when a reasonable complaint is raised before CID, we are bound by law to take legal action and investigation once an FIR is registered. Now coming to the protection of subscribers' interest, there are two aspects of what you have said. Subscribers' interest, there is the interest of subscriber with regard to continuous operation of an organization. So those who are already subscribers, there is a financial interest of those. And there is a deceit part of it, cheating part of it. So which is where the criminality is taken in the FIR stage. So looking at those particular section of law, CID is investigating. While coming to the corporate income tax and all that, there is a possibility. There is a possibility, I don't know whether I'm answering your question with regard to the income tax aspect. There is a possibility that there could be a violations of Income Tax Act. There's a possibility. So what you have said, the possibility, it also means the other agencies should be looking at these nuance aspects. Therefore, during this course of investigation, we have flagged these important issues with concerned agencies. We have. So through the media, we would like general public to be aware that agencies like Enforcement Department, CID, SFIO, and the operations of this Margdashi are in other states as well. So concerned agencies, they are also informed. And of course, with regard to the income tax also, there is a thing that has been done.
Sorry, 5 members subscribers uన్నారు సార్. వీళ్ళందరూ ఏ ప్లేస్ నుంచి కంప్లైంట్ పెట్టారు?
5 subscribers.
5 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ ఏ స్టేషన్ నుంచి కంప్లైంట్ పెట్టారు?
Actually, I don't know. Numbers I have not told.
అంటే నంబర్స్ అని కాదు, మీరు నంబర్స్ చూడట్లేదు, కంప్లైంట్ పేరు చూడట్లేదు. అంటే సిఐడి ప్రోద్బలంతో కేసు పెట్టినట్టు ఉంటుంది సార్.
5 subscribers.
5 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్.
No. What subscribers? What are you referring to? Be more specific. No.
He's referring about the subscribers, no, the companies.
So that I'll come back to you. What you are probably referring to is writ petitions filed by subscribers against the winding up orders issued by the Registration and Stamps Department, correct? You are referring to that?
మీరు అడుగుతున్నది కాదు, సిఐడి నమోదు చేసిన అది who are the complainants in the cases registered.
Okay. So that is not subscriber. Those are the assistant registrars of Stamps and Registration Department.
Can you throw a light on it, please?
Details of attachment. Yeah.
Okay. So it's important that since it's a very small attachment order, so I'll take this liberty of answering the gentleman's question with little more time. So, yes, sir. So for the information of all, the attachment the government order number 104, which was issued on 29th of 5th month, and then subsequently there was an attachment order issued on 15th June. Government order number 116, and yesterday another government order has been issued, number 134. So in the first two government orders, the movable assets of Margdashi Chit Fund Private Limited were of the nature of fixed deposits, shares and debentures in both 104 and 116. Whereas the 134 government order number is significant per se because it involves the attachment of share capital of Margdashi Chit Fund Private Limited, which is invested in Usha Kiran Media Limited and Ushodaya Enterprises Private Limited. The value of these investment in these two organizations in terms of the share capital as on the financial year end 31st March 2022 stood at 1,581 lakhs. So 1,581 lakhs. Yeah. So it's important that subscribers and the general public be made aware. It's not the quantum that is significant. It is the nature of the offense.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు వైండింగ్ కోర్టులో షిప్ గ్రూప్స్ వైండింగ్ చేయమని చెప్పని విత్డ్రా చేసుకున్నారంట. ఆ కోర్టు ఆర్డర్స్ విత్డ్రా చేసుకోవడానికి అఫిడవిట్ ఇచ్చారంట.
నేను కాదు, సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెట్టుకున్నాను.
సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెట్టుకున్నారంట. వాళ్ళ మీద ప్రభుత్వమే ఒత్తిడి తీసుకొస్తుంది. సపోజ్ ఒకళ్ళు హాస్పిటల్లో ఉంటే వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి డ్రగ్ వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళి ఒత్తిడి తీసుకొచ్చారు. అలాగే ఇంకొక
These are all hypothetical. I don't know why you go into the areas where you don't have something, I do not have something. Of course, what you're saying is a view that you can take. Nobody is denying that. You can, of course, have your own opinion. But when it comes to taking a legal... Let me just complete.
పేర్లు చెప్పలేకపోవచ్చు కానీ వాస్తవంగా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ చెప్తున్నది ఇలా ఒత్తిడి తీసుకొస్తున్నారు.
See, this is... so this conference is primarily for the understanding of the subscribers that the investigation in the 7 cases at this juncture is at what stage, and for the caution of the subscribers that they should be more financially cautious as well as legally cautious.
దానికే పరిమితం అని మీరే చెప్పారు కదా సార్. ఎట్లా
This has come to our knowledge. So I have told we will...
ఏం జరిగిందో మేము చెప్తున్నాం సార్. ఎందుకంటే మా దృష్టికి వచ్చిన విషయాలు
Correct. So నేను కూడా చెప్తున్నాం. So at this stage you are also telling me something which is your version. I do not know. So the background story, you can always tell anything. The same situation always happen when you have information. I do not have information. You can play with the information however way you want to play.
ప్రభుత్వం ఒత్తిడి తీసుకొచ్చిన పరిస్థితుల్లో
Not at this junction, but yes, if there is a possibility that we need to examine in the remaining 5 cases, of course IOs have the full liberty to do that.
ఇంతవరకు మీకు వాళ్ళు ఏమీ విచారణకు రాలేదు, సహకరించలేదు, మరి ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు వెళ్తారు దాని విషయంలో?
See, they are accused. Must understand. They are filed as accused at FIR stage itself. So they should only protect their interest. They'll take all the possible protection the law can give to them.
ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు
More specific,
ఏ విధంగా అంటే అది ఎంత చేశారు?
how they diverted the fund from other.
that is a part where investigation, you take me to the domain of investigation and I cannot discuss the nuances of investigation. Of course, I can give you the facts which are in the common domain of everyone. I can only speak of that. How we came to that and how that happened, only the honorable courts will review it. So this is already available in the open domain. So in the government order also it has been mentioned as the Usha Kiran Media Limited, they hold 88% share. The Margdashi Chit Fund Private Limited holds 88.5%. In Ushoda Enterprises they hold 44.55%.
ఎఫ్ఐఆర్ ఫైల్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా ఇప్పుడు కూడా మార్గదర్శి బిజినెస్ చేస్తున్నది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా డైవర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఫండ్స్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతున్నాయి.
We will limit ourselves to the investigation part, and what they do and do not do, shall we leave it to them?
అంటే అది
స్టాంప్స్ అండ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ పరిధిలో
Other questions, Ante? This is only for Margdashi Chit Fund Private Limited, 7 cases. So what else can you ask?
ఇది
No, we have filed. We have filed.
Sir, when did you file these two charge sheets, sir?
Just some time has back. Just some time back.
Very recent.
Yeah.
When can we expect further remaining charge sheets?
As soon as possible.
You said that about
It's a voluminous data that investigating officer and his team is scrutinizing. So it takes some time.
will you distribute them to you?
We will give them. We will give all these geos to all the media houses. Yes, they have taken the cognizance of the issues that we have flagged with them, and I believe they have taken action on that, and there has been a cognizance on their part. So there is no issue with regard to the communication, and then further no action being taken by them. It's only the time will tell what action they take. I cannot speak on their behalf. I will limit myself to the.
not the delay. They have to do their investigation. The relevant part to them, they will do their investigation.
How many people filed affidavits in the court against the stamps and registrations wind up orders? Sir?
Just give them the number.
Yes, I would like to know. Most probably, that is a public information. How many people approached the court and filed affidavits against the winding up orders issued by the
No, sir.
Winding up.
group winding up
More than that. More than that. 30 plus. It will be some petitions have more than one member. So somewhere around.
How many
That's
petitions?
how there are 30 odd petitions I have come across. So 30, and then some of these petitions more than one member is there. So
టోటల్గా 30 పిటిషన్స్ పెట్టారు. దాంట్లో ఒక్కొక్క పిటిషన్లో మోర్ దెన్ వన్
Oh,
పిటిషనర్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు అని చెప్పారు.
most probably.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
no, this is not it.